Hello everyone and welcome to today's cryptocurrencies update for Monday the 11th, July 22. Yes, price is still stuck between a rock and a hard place. So here are the levels to watch for the bull versus the bear options, as I have shared with you many times over. Actually, I don't need to share any price charts with you. We're just going to look pure at price levels. Okay, this includes, of course, previous highs, resistance, support levels, Elliott wave. Everything is included in these two very simple slides. Bull versus bear levels. If we go above the recent highs, then we are in a bullish setup. That means if we get a daily close above level A, we'll target level B. If we go above level B, we'll target level C. Above level C, we'll target level D. This is how far I want to go, okay? Because then we start to make higher highs, higher lows. Never going to be a straight shot, of course, but it just shows you if we have a breakout above resistance, where then the next resistance level is, as long as that previous resistance is turned into support. And of course, the bearish option in red is if we break below the recent lows. This is all on a daily close, by the way. I'm not looking really at intraday stabs below a certain level. We really need to start making lower lows on a daily closing basis, which is 12 midnight London time. So if we close below level X, we go lower to level Y. If we then go below level Y, we can target level Z. All right, I don't want to go any more than that. Again, this is also on daily closing basis. So we don't have to look at any charts whatsoever. Avalanche, all right? If Avalanche closes above the recent high, which is about $21, we can go to about $22. Above $22, we can reach $27, $28. Above that, $35. Again, over A targets B, over B targets C, over C targets D. One step at a time. It doesn't mean if we close above 21, we'll target 35 automatically. Okay, that doesn't mean this. This means that now if we close above 21.04, we can target 22.04, which needs to hold as support, and then we can reach the next level, right? We need to stair step our way higher. Conversely, if we break below 1668, which is the recent low made about 2 weeks ago, we'll target 1375. We go below 1375, we can target 825. All right, these are all can. There is no absolutism certainty in any of this, but that we know already beforehand. That is never the case. There are no guarantees in the market, but these are then the potentials that are in the charts. Binance Coin. Binance Coin is currently at 232.50. It needs to close above 247.6, so it can target 270. If it closes above 270, it can target 320. Above 320, we'll target 360. One step at a time. Of course, by the time we're at these higher levels, I'm more and more confident that the bullish wave count to new all-time highs is underway. Conversely, we close below 205, we get 183, which is the previous recent low. And below that, which are the previous lows in June, we target the ideal target zone I've shared with you before of around 160 to 140. Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin needs to close above 22,490. Currently, it is at around 20,580. So we're still some ways off. If we close above that level, we can target 20,500, 28,500. Close above it, we can target 32,000. Close above that, we can target 34 to 36,000. By then, I'm pretty certain that we have a much stronger bull case and we should be looking for much higher prices. But this is as far as I want to go for now, because this is really trying to look about 2-3 corners ahead, and that's already tricky enough. Again, conversely, we close below the recent lows at 18,603. We can target the low below that, which is 17,600. And if we close below that, we can target 12 to 16,000. If we go below 16,000, we have to consider that Bitcoin is going to be in a prolonged bear market, but we'll deal with it when we get there. For now, this remains still the same as is. Ethereum, same deal, same setup. All right, look at the charts. Above 12,075.51, which is the recent high, I think, for this weekend or whatever, Friday, 1730. Above 1730, 2000. Above 2000, we can target 2200. Remember, can. We don't have to, But these levels, of course, on a breakout need to hold as support. And again, we haven't even broken above 1250 on a daily closing basis, right? That was the resistance level I've pointed out many times. We stabbed above it for one day, just intraday, but we never closed above it. There you should see how important it is to get those daily closes. Conversely, we go below 997, which is the recent low, I think in late June. We can target 880, which is, I believe, the mid-June low. Below that, we can target anywhere between 480 and 755. So there's a lot of downside risk. So you can also use these levels, of course, as stops, okay, as GTO levels, get out levels. Matic or Polygon, above 63 cents, and we can target 75 cents. Of all the cryptocurrencies, Matic is doing the best. It got it high as 0.596 today, but close is no cigar. I'll show hopefully the chart on Wednesday where we can start to see a breakout above the long-term downtrend line. So this one is starting to move nicely higher in the right direction, but 0.63 first level. Then we can target 0.75. If we close above that, we can target 0.89. Above that, we can target $1. So there's plenty of upside left. We need to stair step our way higher. Conversely, below 45 cents, and we target 31 cents, and below that we target 15 cents, which is the long-term ideal wave count target. But again, the market reserves the right to not be ideal. Ideal is simply all we can go by, and then we simply monitor and adjust accordingly if we don't see an ideal Fibonacci-based pattern. Solana over 40 will target 43. All right, currently Solana is about $35, so we've got some ways to go. Above 43, we can target 47.5. Above that, we can target 59.50. Alternatively, we go below 31.75, and we got so far as low as 34.80 today. Then we target 26.17, and below that, we'll target 15. Those are really all the levels we need to look at. Okay, very, very simple. So currently price is still pretty much stuck between a rock and a hard place. It's still stuck for Matic between 45 cents and 63 cents. Solana is stuck between 32 and 40. Ethereum is stuck between about 1,000 and 1275. Bitcoin is stuck between 18,600 and 22,490. Binance Coin is stuck between 205 and 248. Avalanche is stuck between $17 and $21. So both, or not both, but all of these cryptocurrencies are stuck between a rock and a hard place, which are these two numbers. Once we then get the breakout or the breakdown, we know where we go, and we can leave the rock and we can leave the hard place, so to say, behind us. Okay, very simple, very straightforward. That is all I have really for today. Please remember the bigger picture wave count for Bitcoin. Please remember Jesse Livermore's trading rules. Please always read up on the Elliott wave theory if you so desire. Watch my how-to videos. And please do not forget my crypto trading alert service. We got some nice long trades, small profits, but hey, it's still a long-term downtrend, so we're taking small risk, but nice profits on Bitcoin, I believe Ethereum, Matic probably still long, Avalanche. So a lot of small winning trades have been made, so that's really great. If you want to do it all yourself, please contact me. We can set up a crypto trading system for you. And anything else beyond that, please email me and we can talk about it further. Last but not least, there's always my crypto trading hedge fund. We're completely outperforming the cryptos. We're a little bit down for the year, but not the double digits, 60, 70% you see for all these cryptocurrencies. I think we're down single digits, 6, 7, 8%, something like that. That's it. So we're doing really, really well. Remember, in a bear market, he or she who comes out with the least losses is the winner. And it's not about profits, it's about least losses. So with that, have a review again at the slides. These are all the levels we're going to look at. We have the rock and the hard place. The rock is the bullish breakout and the hard place is the bearish breakdown, or vice versa, however you want to look at it. So very clear if-then scenarios. With that, thank you so much for listening. Take care, trade safe, and I see you all on Wednesday. Bye.